You know the story of the Scuttlehole Spectre, right?
No.
So the story is, well, you would have seen when we go through, there's been water in every cave, right? So far?
Yeah.
But there was a group of kids, and they were saying that they were here once, they camped here. They're hearing stuff, and then there was like rustling and rocks dropping and stuff like that. And then the one guy says he shined the light, and he saw what looked like this old guy. So he's supposed to have like long, greasy hair. And the story goes that he was in here, and he was doing like we were doing today.
Right.
But a rock dropped, and he was alone, and he got caught, and he died.
Uh-oh.
And so the Scuttlehole Spectre haunts the caves.
Ooh.
But if it's wet, he can't get out. But in the dry season, he gets out.
He can get out.
Yeah.
Wow, that's not spooky at all, Doug. Thanks.
Well, we're here together.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Was that good?
What did I just put in my mouth?
I'm not sure. I found it on the cave floor.
That's so good.
Spectre's finger.
That's the tastiest